if you understand English very well, but when it's time to speaking, your brain start translating each and every sentence from your mother tongue to English, and because of that, you get stuck, you get nervous, and start taking pauses. Then please don't worry. Everything has solution in this world, and the reason behind it is we have been trained since our childhood to mug up grammar rules, to translate each and every sentence from your mother tongue to English. We have not been trained to think directly in English. So, my dear friends, please don't worry. Thinking in English is not a gift, it's a skill. So, we can build this habit together. So, in today's video, I am going to share with you few amazing tips that will really help you out to stop translating in your head and think directly in English. But one more thing I want to tell you before diving into the topic is that I assure you, if you will watch this video till the end, then believe me, nobody can stop you from speaking English fluently as I am speaking. So let's break the translation trap together. So without wasting time, let's get started. The tip number one is to connect with a friend who is from different country. One of the best way to start thinking only in English is to find an English speaking partner who is from different country. But one question must be coming to your mind: what are the connection to think in English or finding a friend who is from another country? So let me explain it to you. When you find a partner who is from different country than your mother tongue and his mother tongue, absolutely different, right? So you do not understand his mother tongue, he doesn't understand yours. Hence, you are bound to speak only in English because you do not have backup language as your mother tongue. So English will be your first language and you will have to start only in English. Now you are bound to speak only in English because you don't have other options, right, my friends? The other thing what you can do is when you talk with a foreigner friend, then you feel confident. You do not sound robotic. You sound like a natural fluent speaker because you will have to maintain your politeness when you talk to a different countries people. Then you maintain your country's reputation, right? Hence you will talk in a polite way, the elegant way. So it is the best way. On top of that, you will find an English speaking partner, right? Talking to a foreigner friend, because if you live in a village or home or surrounded by your family members who don't know English, then this is the best way. You will not have to run for multiple things. By doing only one thing, you will be fluent in English, you will start thinking in English. And if possible, try to talk with an opposite gender. What are the benefits of talking to an opposite gender? I repeatedly say it to everyone. When you talk with an opposite gender, then you don't have fear in your heart, you feel confident. On top of that, you have a little attraction, so you don't feel bored while talking. You go on talking, and finally you improved your English, right? So this is the best way to think in English and to become fluent in English. I am not telling you this tip from mugging up on any news or from any video. I am telling you from my own experience because I live in a small village and English is my third language. However, I am speaking fluently. The reason is just one, that I had one friend, she was from Egypt. I used to talk with her, and I learned so many things from her. She used to correct me where I would make mistakes, right? In the same way, you can just use this technique, because these days everything is possible. You don't have to pay for expensive classes or for learn English, right? You will have to go a foreign country. I know I make some grammatical mistakes, then I do not feel bad for that. I feel proud of myself that at least I am trying. Nobody is perfect in this world, and perfectionism kills your fluency. So, if you really want to sound natural, then don't focus on mistakes. Focus on your message, what you are trying to convey to others. But one question must be coming to your mind is that how can I find an English speaking partner, right? So, my friend, you just you can comment me below in the comment section, sir. I want video from you so as to I can know about the applications, and I will just go on that application. I will find friend and I will start talking from tomorrow onwards, right? Or if you are really very curious to learn English language, then go on YouTube and search how to find an English speaking partner. Then you will automatically find a perfect partner. Unless you don't find a perfect partner whose wavelength doesn't match to yours, then please don't exchange your Insta ID or Telegram ID. Because if you will exchange, and if you think his tuning wavelength doesn't match to me, then you will feel so irritating later on. So it is the best way to become fluent in English, to think in English. Just one tip, and you will be automatically fluent. One more thing I want to tell you is that if you don't know how to talk on applications, on calls, then you can comment me below. I will make video in series of 7-day series, and I will tell you how to talk on application, on call. I will tell you all the phrases, all the idioms, all expressions what are being used in conversation these days. Okay, my friends, so I hope you like this video, and if you really learned a little bit new from this video, then please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. I am recording this video in my home, and you can understand like some sounds are coming from background, and I am really wet by my sweats. It's so hot. So please leave a comment in the comment section. Don't judge me. Or thank you so much you liked this video, and I will be just waiting for your comments, my friends. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself and happy learning.